how to log in into EHX employee portal. Further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with and on the search URL type in EHX employee login, then press enter on your keyboard. Then you will be taken to this interface. Now head over to the first link that says Employee Onboarding Portal or EHX. Click on that. Then you will be directly taken into login page. So on this interface, as you can see, there is a login prompt on your left hand side. So first of all, enter your valid user ID. And under that, enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link that says forgot your password. Click on that, follow some screen instructions, and that will help you out to recover your account. After you're done typing in your user ID and password, click on login button and on the next page, you will be logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you log in into EHX employee portal. I hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.